Hi everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to bring an unboxing for you. I have recently been invited to join the Layered Life team. If you are not familiar with the Layered Life company, it is a very contemporary, bright, colorful design, and Christine's products are gorgeous and I cannot wait to share this with you. This is the All Is Bright collection. This is the new holiday collection, and it brings some traditionals, some very snarky, and some language along with it. So be prepared for that. I am so excited to share this with you. I do have the digital kit that I have been working with. I do have a project that I will leave photos of here at the end of the video of a traveler's notebook, a double page spread that I have done with the digital kit. And it is on my Instagram as well, but this is the physical version of this. So let's dive in because this is going to be so good. Okay, so here we are. First things that were in the bag. There are three different things. I do know that in one of the ephemera pieces in this kit was highly pixelated. So because I'm a part of the team, I got that version, but the actual kits that are shipping out, it will be fixed. So no worries with that. So we have an embellishment pack that has a couple packs of those. We have a 6x6 paper pad, which is my favorite paper of the whole pad. And then we also have this beautiful sticker sheet. This has such like a velvety, not an iridescence, but there's like a velvety quality of this that it is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. So let's get into the 6x6 paper pad. So this paper, the All Is Calm, All Is Bright, for the digital version, I actually changed mine when it comes to this and made it into a traveler's notebook size paper. So here's the layout that I did with the digital collection. And I love digitals for this reason, because this is actually the 6x6. But when I did it, I created, in Photoshop, I edited and made it the 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 so that I could do a TN insert. And the same thing, this was one of the cut aparts that we'll see in this piece. I blew it up and did it the same way, and then cut with an X-Acto knife to get that white center out so that I could use a photo to back it. So this is just an option. I will have close-ups of this piece at the end. I do not have a process for this one, but I will have a process for others coming up using this collection. So anyways, back into the papers. We have the All Is Calm, All Is Bright, a beautiful green and ivory floral. I love this geometric package and tree. This kit really gives me the vibes of October afternoon. If you've been around in the scrapbooking world a while, October afternoon has been gone now for quite a while. But these give me those old-fashioned vibes, and I love it so much. So anyways, keep going on. We have gold and ivory, red and white vines, a blue and white, a pink, yellow, green, and ivory, a really fun yellow and white polka dot. Another one of my favorite papers. There is die cuts that actually match these poinsettias, and also the ivy. Love this. Beautiful red. This is the same as the green, but on a larger scale in a different color pattern. Get this back up here together. There we go. A really fun geometric contemporary print. And if you notice Christine's vibe here, while this is All Is Bright and a holiday collection, it can be used as holiday, but you are not stuck using this just for a holiday. A lot of these patterns can be mixed into everyday projects, which I absolutely love about her kit. You have this geometric pattern, a really fun striped print. A nice ivory and gold or a mustard, maybe this color yellow. This is so cute. I love the non-traditional colors of this piece. A really fun Christmas tree. This reminds me of Whoville and Dr. Seuss, so I might, or not Dr. Seuss. The Grinch in Whoville, so I might have to use this for like documenting movies. A really fun navy and yellow star, a red and white polka dot, which also is a play off of that yellow, a red plaid, a yellow stripe, like a mustard orange and ivory pattern, another super fun Christmas tree, a houndstooth, and a really fun geometric square print. So this is all of the patterns. Now, these are all single prints, so you will get one of each pattern, and they are not double-sided, so you don't feel like that you have to choose which side that you're going to use. And these papers are very thick and very sturdy, so I love that about this. So this is the 6x6 papers. There's the sticker sheet. All right, now let's get into the other goodies. This is the die cuts. So there are 3 packs in this larger pack. The first one is going to be days. So in this package, you are going to get a navy blue, and I believe this is an ivory. Let's take a look. Yes, a navy blue and ivory, days 1 through 12 on these tags. Let's do, and then there's 2 packages of ephemera. One is a mix it up ephemera, and this one is a window medley, she calls it, but these are all about windows. So let's do this one first. And look how fun this backing card is. You can actually use this as even pattern paper, so don't throw your packaging away. So for this piece, you get a lot of things that are windowed. And now remind you, some of this can be snarky. So like this one, I finished all my Christmas shopping, said no one ever. This is also another one of my favorites, like a Kodak film strip, magical and shit, love it. These are the centers, if you would want to use them for anything. Here are some other additional window pieces. The family has arrived, grab a glass of wine, everyone. This would make a cute title. This would make a really nice, a piece where you could add something in here, but put maybe like a journaling tag behind. Another window piece. This is the insert of that. This reminds me of like a mini iPhone. Here's the piece that I used, the digital version of in my traveler's notebook. So the negatives can be used in both, so I love that about this. Here's another piece with that fun geometric pattern, a 25 tag, and there's the 2, the 5 is in here too, there's the 5. So here's another tag with an open window, a couple other little strips from the other insides. Same thing with these. And then here is this piece. I love how this doesn't all fit. Like, it makes it not perfect, and I love that. And then these are all just the center cutouts of those other tags. And then lastly is the Mix It Up ephemera pack. And again, the same fun insert card to use. There are some larger pieces, really pretty door. This reminds me of stamps. I love this tag. It says "for goodness sakes" with notes and dates. I used the digital version of that. Checking it twice. Those on the goodie list get a gift. Here's another large piece, a really fun Merry Christmas. I believe this is the piece that was pixelated that will be replaced in your kit. So if it looks a little fuzzy to you, it really isn't. But if this piece will be fixed in yours. Super Merry. Let's do this. Here's another one of those poinsettia die cuts I absolutely love. Some more poinsettias. This reminds me of candy sprinkles, so that might be good for cookie baking. Happy Holiday. Another piece of that. The Happy Holiday Hustle. All I want for Christmas is coffee and scrapbook stuff. Regift it. There's some cute speech bubbles like these. I love those. The inserts are included in here as well. Where are they at? There we go. Here's more of the holly. And then there's a couple of these cute, really cute tags. It says holly jolly, happy, 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 merry, merry, merry. Those are so stinking cute with the trees. No pouting. I have been good most of the year. This is one of those other snarky pieces, festive as F. Love that. It's so stinking cute. These would be great for little journaling strips or even dates. Here is this. It says no more money. And then there is a few of these pieces which are super fun also. It says, may your days be merry and bright, pass the wine bottle over and don't tell Santa. Don't worry, I got it all. Shopping, decorating, cooking, gift wrapping, crafting, and loving every minute of it. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Oh, what fun it wasn't. The glitter got on everything. In Christmas stages of shopping, 1, plenty of time, new, 2, oh no. So a lot of fun, bright colored patterns, some snarkiness in it, but it's so tasteful and it's done so well. I love how Christine does this. I absolutely love the vintage vibe of this kit. If you are interested, I will leave a link down below to the digital version of this kit and also the physical version. I do believe the physical version is starting to ship with the corrected piece this week. Christine does a great job of updating her customers of when things are going to be done. So make sure that you follow them on Instagram. I'll leave that link down below also. But until next time, you guys, I will put up a couple close-ups of the Traveler's Notebook page that I did here at the end. But until next time, have a great day. Bye.